Manufacturing often relies on outside specialists, a contract baker, an oven engineer, a packaging hand, people you pay by the hour rather than through payroll. ZetaFisc keeps these contractors in one place, and the key field is their hourly rate, because that is what lets the system work out the labor cost of a production batch later, in the bill of materials. Let us add one properly. A contractor is a person. We enter his name, Musa Bello, his phone, and his email, so we can reach him and so payments can be addressed to him. We note his specialty, he is a master baker we bring in for big runs, and then the most important figure, his hourly rate, 4,500 naira an hour. This rate is exactly what the bill of materials uses to cost his time on a batch. We say him. Now he is on file as an active contractor, and his rate is ready to be picked up by any recipe that uses contract labor. There he is in the contractors list, with his code, his hourly rate, and an active status. This is the foundation of contract labor costing. Set the rate once here, and the manufacturing recipes use it automatically. Next we will see exactly that when we build a bill of materials.